Okay, now look behind you. You slide your bum back, or are you comfortable? So this bar, you can put it right between your legs. You move that one leg over. There you go. And I'm gonna put this 50 bar for you too. First chairlift. How was that? Yeah? Not bad, right? I got it now, so you're not going to go anywhere. And now I'm going to lift this up. I got you though, because see how I have you and you're not going to fall? So keep your skis straight like this. Can you put your skis straight? Yeah, put them together. Now I'm going to stand up. I'm just going to stand up. I'm going to put your feet down. I got you. Oh, we lost it. That's okay. That's okay. I know, the person's gonna bring it to us. Good job, bud. Good job.